Is Adobe Flash crashing because of the PEP Flash Player DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows developer. Let's use these professional steps to fix the runtime error. Before we begin the walkthrough for PEP Flash Player, check the link below for a tool to assist with library environment checks. This is the PEP Flash Player, a legacy Pepper-based Flash Player library used by specialized browsers, Chromium-based, and older desktop apps to play Flash content. While Flash is retired, it is still searched for by users of legacy industrial dashboards and Flash projectors. Its absence prevents the playback of .swf files. Understanding the file's role is a great start. Now let's look at replacing it. Third-party application errors like this are best fixed by reinstalling the affected software suite. Download and reinstall the latest version of Adobe Flash to restore the PEP Flash Player DLL library without risking system instability. If the redistributable repair didn't resolve the pop-up, the next logical step is to analyze the local environment for process conflicts. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes re-establish a broken link to the PEP Flash Player file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. If the previous steps didn't work, there's one more action we can take to stabilize the environment. Please pause the video if you need to back up your data before we proceed. If the restart didn't fix the performance alerts, we need to rebuild the diagnostic counter registry. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, while these files almost never break, their registration in the performance registry Hive does. This command wipes those entries and rebuilds them. Before concluding, I want to address a critical security consideration for maintaining your system's integrity. Protect your workstation by avoiding the temptation of quick manual fixes for PEP Flash Player DLL, as most free repositories prioritize ad revenue over file safety, often leading to the installation of obsolete or harmful software. To ensure your system remains within verified parameters, you might choose to use an authorized maintenance path for ongoing support. For users seeking clearer system diagnostics, the link in the description references tools related to managing the PEP Flash Player environment. I hope this walkthrough provided the clarity you needed to fix PEP Flash Player. Please like the video to support the channel and subscribe for more system-level tutorials.